Hey everybody, Brian Kutu here. Wanted to talk about something that I received a few calls on this morning. I got a bunch of panic calls from clients and realtors because of the news that's coming out that the Fed tomorrow is supposed to be raising interest rates either 0.5% or 0.25%. Now, one thing I want you to remember is that that doesn't always mean that long-term mortgage rates are going to be reflected, or they're going to go the same way that the federal funds rate goes. So just because they're raising a federal fund rate 0.5% doesn't mean that mortgage rates are also going up 0.5%. In some cases, mortgage rates can actually go down when the Federal Reserve raises the short-term federal funds rate. Now, that might not make sense, but the purpose of raising the federal fund rate is to combat inflation. Inflation is what causes mortgage rates to rise. Now, here's the thing. In the last 2 months, we've seen the largest increase of rates in that short-term period in the history of the United States. So, in my personal opinion, because we are anticipating, or the market's anticipating, that rates in the federal fund rates is being risen over the next 6 to 12 months, that we've probably already baked in a lot of the mortgage rate that's already come across the pricing sheets. So my personal opinion is we might not see any rise to mortgage rates tomorrow when they raise the fund rate. Now, on the other hand, it could swing the market and cause volatility. It really depends on the reaction of the market, and when the Fed chair gets up and gives his speech and he starts talking about why they're raising the federal funds rate, that's what's going to swing either rates down or up. So this is just a public service announcement. Don't freak out just yet. We don't know. And remember, because they're raising short-term interest rates does not always mean that the long-term 30-year fixed is going to go the same exact way. Doesn't mean it's going to go up. Doesn't mean it's going to go down. We really need to see what's going to happen based off of the commentary.